Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we use the $25 business to promote is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring commission. You get paid 80% of the sales that you bring in every single month, guys. It doesn't go down. So if you're an affiliate marketer out there, you know that's a fantastic deal, and it's the best one I ever found. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page just to make sure here. Alright, let's go back over here. Okay, we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Alright, so that's fantastic. Now another reason I refreshed the page is to make sure you guys understand that this is money going into my bank account. It's very easy to change these numbers around and make it look like whatever I want it to look like, but I want to make sure you guys understand that that is money coming to my bank account. Alright, so what we're gonna do, guys, we gotta get you your link, guys, and this is the link that I personally use because it promotes 3 products, but you can use any link that you want. It doesn't matter. Use any link that you want, guys. Perfectly fine. All right, so I just want to show you guys that. So the first thing you want to do is go into the description there. It's gonna get you your links. You're gonna click on step 1. It's gonna say incomespeech.com, something like that. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now what this page is the sales letters for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, whatever, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? But essentially what it is, just in case you guys are interested in the product itself, it's a funnel builder. Now what a funnel builder is something that sets up a bunch of web pages to get you to buy something, right? TLDR, very simple explanation, right? And if you guys are affiliate marketers, you know about ClickFunnels. And like ClickFunnels is over $100 a month for like 20 funnels. You got limitations. You need to pay like $300 something for no limitations. And this product here, the $25 business, is $25, guys. It's a whole different ball game. $25, you save so much money like that. So I recommend people who are using ClickFunnels right now to move over to this product here, guys, because it's a real good product, very easy to use, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? So it also talks about how much money you can make here. You can make $20 or $100 monthly commissions. That means you can make $120 off of each person, guys. You get 10 people in the system. That's pretty much everybody. That's most people rent. You know what I mean? So 10 people can get you your rent money. So, which is really cool. This product is fantastic. Now what we're gonna do, right? You read over this. They also get a charity if you're interested in that. We read over this and we're gonna go to Yes I Want In because we want to try this out, right? So you just click on Yes I Want In. You just put in basic information. It kind of explains what all you're getting, blah blah blah, all that stuff, right? Now one thing I want to point out, get this, blah. All right, so you use my link, guys. You get 14-day free trial with the HBA Premium. What is HBA Premium? HBA Premium is going to help you get conversions on sites like Facebook, ads, groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, TikTok, Instagram, ads, all kinds of stuff. Just all kinds of ways to promote this product, guys. All kinds of ways to promote this product. It just teaches you how to do it. You know what I mean? And it also has an AI content creation machine. And what it does, you just type in, hey, I need me an email, hey, I need me money, blah blah blah, right? Kind of like ChatGPT, even more geared towards selling stuff. You know what I mean? But yeah, you also get that as well, and get all that for free for 14 days, guys. And the best part about this, if you get a sale with this product, like you promote this product, and you promote HBA Premium and get a sale, you keep that $100, even though you don't technically own the product yet, which is absolutely the best part about it. All right, guys, so that's really cool. So now we need a way to promote this product, and what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote this product I've found. Here we go. All right, easiest way to promote this product, easiest way, simple, very simple. Takes about 30 seconds when you got it all set up. 30 seconds a day you got it all set up. All right, so what you want to do is click on my second link. It's going to take you to my lead gen secret step 2 link. All right, so what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. They're interested in making money online, but they're very cold leads, so you got to kind of keep at it, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do here is that we're going to go to our mailing system here. We're going to use a email. First I want to get my photo. Let me get my photo. The fastest way to get my photo is to just copy. Boom. Get my photo and we're going to post on this. So what we're going to do is post this one. I'm going to upload this one. Boom, boom. That's the email right there. All I'm going to do is put my photo in there. Alright, we're gonna hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time people check emails. We're gonna preview. Now we're gonna preview for 2 different reasons. One is to check and see if the link works. The link does work, guys. That means you gotta check that. That's so important. So important to make sure your link works so you can get sales. Alright, guys. Link don't work, you won't get sales, no matter what. Alright. So the second reason is to give you guys a chance to copy this email if you're interested in copying it. So that's the whole email right there. This is the subject. That's the whole email right there. Very simple, very easy to copy. You know what I mean? And yo, that's all there is to that. Close there. Hit the preview, and we just send the email and we're done, guys. All simple, very easy. Now, one thing I want to stress with you guys is that you gotta be consistent. All right, you gotta do this every single. In fact, if you want to make money online, period, you got to be consistent with it every single day. Whatever you're doing, you got to be consistent. Now, let me tell you guys I think the best way to promote a product right now. Best way to promote a product right now, real quick, is shorts. That's YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Post on those 3 sites in particular, shorts. And you post, I recommend about 3 times per day, maybe 4. I think that's like the golden zone, but at least once per day. Now, the more you post, the better. I'll say that. You want to post on these 3 sites, and you want to keep posting. Make sure you post every single day. That's so important to be consistent. Consistency is the key. Don't worry about how good your video is. Don't worry about if you got a nice quote on your video or how edited it is. Don't sit there all day trying to edit your video. Just get something out there and put it out. And keep doing that. Eventually, something's going to go viral. When that something go viral, you don't got to worry about money ever again. All right? If you got everything set up right. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification as well. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.